And this is how you change the oil on the 2019 Civic Si. So you take that thing off, that cover. You have here the filter, and you have here the drain. You're gonna lose that drain right now. After you lose that drain, you're gonna you got this thing right here. Just come on handy, pretty close there, and you just boom. That's it. Let it drain. So this is the oil we're going to be putting in. This is the filter. So while the oil is draining, I always like to get ready, get this prepared, peel this off, or to get the filter. And I always like to, around, I like to always put a little bit of oil. Yeah, oil. I do a little bit of oil on top. And put just a little bit inside. So when you turn the card on, I already got oil in the filter. That's it. It's ready helping. I got this tool right here. So we could loose up the oil filter. Fine oil filter there. I'm gonna grab this. We try to do it with one hand. Just squeeze it. Easy, and you get it loose. It's easier with this, much better. After you do that, you just gotta do it with your hand. It will come out slowly. That's it. After this is nice and clean, you see, clean up everything. I use spray cleaner for that. Just put the filter, go back up again. That's it. Simple. Now to fill up again, we remove this cap. I got this funnel and just pour the oil there. And that's it. Coming back. Keep watching. Then you put your oil in. I like to put the whole 5 quarts just in case. Never had a problem with it because that way it could last you for the 5,000 miles, and if you need some more, so you don't need to add no more unless you have an issue with the engine that's burning a lot of oil. Other than that, that's it. That's how you do it. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.